Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Take the sum of the grouped inner term b and c, then multiply it by a, which produces the same result as the inner term b multiplied by outer term a, inner term c multiplied by outer term a, then add the results together. Now let's look into the distributive property of multiplication using numbers. Here 4 and 3 are grouped inner number and 6 is the outer number. So if you add the grouped inner number together, then multiply it by the outer number 6, that will produce the same result as each inner number 4 separately multiplied by the outer number 6, then inner number 3 separately multiplied by the outer number 6, then add it together. Now let's go through each side and look into it. In left hand side, let's add 4 plus 3, which is 7. Then multiply it by the outer number 6, that is 6 times 7 is 42. Now let's look into the right hand side. 6 times 4 is 24 and 6 times 3 is 18. Then let's add them together. That will make 24 plus 18, 42. So that means if you add the grouped number together, then multiply it by the outer number or distribute the outer number to each inner number by multiplication, then add them together, both will produce same result. Now let's look into distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. This is almost the same like addition, except for the inner terms we do subtraction. Let's look into it. Here in our example, 4 and 3 are the inner term and 6 is the outer term. Let's take the difference of 4 and 3, then multiply it by the outer term, which will produce the same result as each inner term. 4 multiplied by 6 and 3 multiplied by 6. Then do subtraction. Let's look at each side of our example. In the left side, 4 minus 3, difference is 1. Then let's multiply it by 6. That will make it 6. Now let's look into our right side. 6 times 4 is 24. Then 6 times 3 is 18. Then let's take the difference. That will make it 6. So that means if you find the difference of the grouped inner terms and then multiply it by the outer term, or distribute the outer term to each inner term by multiplication and then find the difference, both are same.